Hey guys, it's Bill Moscas, MarineMax in Stuart. I want to show you this awesome 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Great boat to overnight. If you are not a serious fisherman, you can always hold a rod on the back, but for everything else, this boat will do everything awesome. Best value on 32 feet for the space you get on board, social entertainment, and overnighting capabilities. Let's hop on board. Starting here from the transom, we have a new setup. We used to have a triple 250 setup or twin 350s. Now you have twin 400 V10s, awesome power package, the perfect power package for this boat. Gets it on plane in no time, naturally aspirated motors, electric actuators for steering. So there's no hydraulics involved. It's one power, no conversions to get you moving. A lot of storage right underneath this hatch, and right over here you have your shore power connections, a freshwater hose, a city water connection, and your battery switches are over here, so as soon as you step on the boat you can turn on your batteries and get going. You have your shower with temperature control. You have a stereo slave. You have your gate over here so your dogs or kids don't come out on the transom or you don't want to. Excellent way to step to the side on a floating, or not on a floating dock. Floating dock you use the back, but on a raised dock. Awesome seating all around with a table that stores right underneath this electric hatch. Over here we have a nice size fridge on the bottom and a grill right over here with a sink right next to it. When you have it closed, you can use it as a platform to connect your coffee maker, toaster, whatever you may want to use in this area. Controls for your sunshade, which extends all the way to the back, and the electric hatch I was telling you before is controlled right over here, up and down. AC for this area as well as the helm. The AC temperature controller is right next to it. Speakers, subwoofers and stuff all around, so you can have a nice party over here. This seat, it can be a forward facing when you are cruising, but also when you're socializing. This lifts up and locks, which is a new feature for the 2025s. So it doesn't slide back if you want it locked in this position. And look at this area that you have on the back for socializing, including that starboard side seating over there. Then going to the helm, very nice appointed seats for two people. Your usual binnacles, joystick with autopilot, auto heading and skyhook, AC vents, cup holders, automatic trim tabs, all your basic switching over here, stereo, twin 12-inch screens. I love the full glass on the front while you have openings on the side with a full enclosure, which this boat is optioned. You could basically fully enclose the sides and the back of the boat. Nice storage over here on the side. This is the bow table. I will show you in a minute. And we're gonna go down to the cabin right now. We have the up and down table. The berth right now is converted obviously to a berth, but also you have a longer pedestal. You remove the middle cushions and you have a nice dining area. And then you have a nice second sleeping area down here. The two beds can be brought together and you can make a queen size bed down here with some cabinets all around, its own independent lighting and a TV, second TV. The head is nicely appointed. It's a wet head, however, you know, it has plenty of space for you to take a shower and use the rest of the facilities. So now heading to the forward area, you have the sliding glass door and also the fiberglass wind dam down here. There are direct drains outside in case you take a wave over the bow. And here is an awesome 3-person sun lounge with armrests. You have your stereo repeater right over there. 2 speakers, that's where the bow table deploys. You also have on this boat the sunshade option. You get 2 fiberglass poles right over here, and then all the way to the back you see the clips on top of the hardtop where the sunshade clips on. Right behind me you have your rod, and the windlass is sitting right underneath here. You can also store your fenders right in there. There is covers that cover the bow area over here, and part of the enclosure is a camper enclosure that encloses the whole back. So this concludes our short presentation of this 320 Sundancer. Would love to show you in person. To make an appointment, please give me a call. Bill Moscas, 203-808-5088, and we are located at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Thank you for watching.